This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Even though it might be raining outside, the sun is shining inside here.
Speak to him. Speak to him. We hear you.
We have come together in the presence of God to witness the join together of Sam and Doniece. His name Samuel means asked of the Lord. So Samuel asked God for a wife, and God sent him Doniece.
My little big sister Doniece is here killing them, and she looks gorgeous tonight. My boy Sam, been rocking for 9 years. You my guy, 100 grand, you know what I mean? Through the mud. I'm just happy for you, bro. I'm proud of you. It's another one of your accomplishments. Keep grinding. You're the hardest working person I know. Hold her down. You know what you're supposed to do, bro. You got it. Like, congratulations again. Yo, I'm happy for you. I love you to death, yo.
A marriage is not only the joining together of two individuals, it is also a joining together of two families.
I devote myself to you, heart and soul. Truth doesn't exist without you. You're the feeling of life. You are my love and my light. I promise to cherish every day more than the last and face obstacles head first together. If I've done anything right in my life, it will be giving my heart to you.
In the Bible it says there is no fear in love.
Amen.
But perfect love drives out fear. And like the elder said, he who finds a good thing finds a wife. Well, I found a great thing. I truly believe we needed each other. I needed your fire to burn down my village so we could build a new one together. I vow to love you like my parents. You know, y'all get on my nerves. Protect you like my brother, and care for you like our future kids. I vow to be more open and honest with you so we can continue to prosper in our relationship. I love you. I'm proud of the woman you were, are, and will become in the future. And I can't wait until we unlock those doors to our dreams together.
So, let me just say that again, you two are the epitome of black love. Y'all already know I'm a phone call away for either one of y'all, so whatever y'all need, whoever act up, cause I love y'all. Right.
Show your love for Mr. and Mrs. Samuel L. Pipkin Jr.
This is just a special thank you to Sam and Doniece for inviting us to the wedding, for allowing me to host. We love y'all. We're here anytime y'all need us. And we're here today to honor you two, because we're blessing y'all.
Congratulations.
Y'all blessing us.
Ooh. Shout out to my man Sam, Doniece, aka Slim. Hope you guys have a great relationship and nothing ever break y'all up. You know what I mean? I hope y'all guys stay together forever.
Repeat after me. I, Samuel.
I, Samuel.
Take you, Doniece.
Take you, Doniece.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
excluding all others,
excluding all others,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I give you my pledge.
I give you my pledge.
Repeat after me. I, Doniece, take you, Samuel, to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold, from this day forward, to love and to cherish, excluding all others, as long as we both shall live. I give you my pledge.
I give you my pledge.
One day, it's someone like you, and all I needed is someone like you. Hold up.
We have seen the sealing of your solemn vows of marriage by the giving and receiving of rings. It is therefore my joy to declare you as husband and wife. And now by the authority invested in me as a minister of the gospel, and in accordance with the laws of the state of Delaware, Samuel, you may salute your bride.